Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a review on the recent released Supreme Pelican case. So overall I think this is a really nice accessory, and for today's review I'm going to give you a close-up look at it as well as show you how big it is by putting some recent Supreme accessories in it just to give you an idea of the size of it. Make sure to stay tuned for the rest of the video, and before I get into it, make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. I'm really close to 250 subscribers, so it'd be really cool if I get hit probably by this weekend. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And also, if you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Now on to the review. So starting off with the close-up review, this entire case is made of a translucent red plastic and it has Supreme written across the front. And then going to the back, it's just blank, and there's a little button here, I don't know what this is for. And then on one of the sides it has a removable clip, so just to show you that you can remove it. So you can remove the clip in case you don't want it, and you can only put the clip on this side. There isn't a little slot for here. There's only a slot for a little strap as well on the other side, so you can put a strap on this if you want. And then on the back side there's some hinges, and to open the case is a little flap on one side and it opens up like this. So on the inside there's the rubber piece which you can remove, so I'll show you that. So as you can see, you can remove this rubber piece if you don't want it, so you can have more room on the inside. But what I'm guessing this is for is to make the case waterproof, because this case is waterproof, but you probably need this part in it for it to be waterproof. So I'm gonna put this back in and show you what you can fit in here. Alright, so here as you can see I have some accessories and I'll show you how much you can fit in here. So easily fits Band-Aids. Here's the shower cap from last season. This also fits. You can easily fit a bouncy ball in here. So right there, tape measure from last season, and a box logo sticker. So you can fit a lot of stuff in here as you can see, and it still closes up easily. So as you can see, you can fit a lot of stuff in here. So pretty nice accessory. You can put all your other little accessories in here if you have any. So overall I think this is a really good accessory and it's really usable. So some Supreme accessories aren't too usable, but I think this is one of the more usable accessories they've released. Super happy I got it. So that's pretty much it for the review. So now on to the outro. Alright, so that wraps up the review of the Supreme Pelican case. Overall I think this is one of the best accessories Supreme's going to be releasing for the fall 2019 season. And I also think this is one of the more slept on items in the Supreme season. So after the season I can easily see this item hitting $100+ for brand new. So I'll definitely have to hold on to mine and hope it goes there. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel if you're new. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.